You mentioned that your right ovary and fallopian tube were removed due to complications and you're wanting to have a baby. Your doctor checked out your left side and it seems to be fine, and you're wondering if you have a higher chance of having an ectopic pregnancy because of your history. And this is a really good question, actually one that could be best answered by your doctor who did the surgery and knows the specifics of your circumstances. Generally speaking, women are at higher risk for ectopic pregnancy if they've had surgery, if they have congenital anomalies or infection that affected the fallopian tubes and their anatomy. Basically, what an ectopic pregnancy is a pregnancy that starts to grow outside of the uterus. So it can be in the fallopian tube, it could be in other parts of the abdomen as well. But basically, if there's a blockage or scar tissue or something affecting the fallopian tube, there is a chance that it could happen there. So again, your doctor would be able to give you more information about this based on their knowledge of your situation. Generally speaking, women are at a higher risk for ectopic pregnancy if they've had pelvic infection, surgery, or if they were born with congenital anomalies that affects the normal anatomy of a fallopian tube. So because you had infection and surgery, that does put you at higher risk, generally speaking, but again, your doctor will be able to give you the best information about it based on their knowledge of your circumstances. If the doctor's checked out the left fallopian tube and everything's patent and looks good, then you should be good to go. But the best thing for you to do is to call your doctor as soon as you find out that you are pregnant. And they may want to check the location of the pregnancy, make sure it's growing in the appropriate place, the uterus, and that everything's progressing as expected. I hope the best for you, and if you have more questions for me in the future, please feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.